Basically what this is a chair back massager here. That's from the brand called COMFIER. If you guys see my previous video, you guys know I reviewed a bunch of them from this brand before, and this time we do have another one here. And we're pretty much gonna open this up and we're set it up onto this chair that I'm currently sitting right here to show you guys what it looks like. So let's take a look and see what it looks like first. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be another cool little product here that you guys can use if you guys don't wanna buy like a huge chair massager. So once you guys open it up, there's another box inside the box. Let's take it out. Quite heavy. Might be easier for me to just pour it out. All right, put this to one side for now. All right, let's flip this upside down here. And once you guys do take it out, here is pretty much what the packaging looks like in terms of what you guys do get here, as you can see. So it does say COMFIER Shiatsu neck and back massager with heat and compression. That's heating, shiatsu and tapping option, compression massage, and the spot massage option for you guys to use. And they have this nice little handle for you guys to carry around and lift it around from one place to another when you guys are moving or something. Pretty convenient. So if you guys open this up, open this as well, open right here, and open right here. Inside right here, we do have the massager and everything else that you probably will need to use. So let's take it out. Protection unit here, little box right here. That should be the cable. So if you guys open it up, inside right here, we do have the cable, the cord for you to plug in to activate the unit. So we'll use that in a bit. And then inside right here, we do have the actual massager itself. Let's take it out. And inside they do provide guys a little user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And that's pretty much everything that's included in the unit. So now if you guys take this part out, you just pretty much want to set this up onto like any kind of chair that you guys do have, but in this case we're using this one here. If you guys want to set this up onto a sofa or something, you probably can as well. All right, so let's put this here. Let me move this back to one side for now. Let's move this over here, that way you can see what it looks like. So normally for these kind of like massager, it's better if you guys use it on like a flat chair, not like the one that's curved like this one here. But for this test, it's okay just to set it up to show you guys what it looks like and to see how it feels really quick. So let me set that up here first. Down the side right here, there's a little remote for you guys to press and use. So let me actually open it up so that we can see what it looks like when I do bring the camera a little bit closer. So this one you can put on the side here. Let me remove this little sticker part here as well. All right. So remove that part right here, stick it over here, and the remote control can go back inside right here. And I do want to mention for the back part right here, they do have a strap. There's a cord right here as well. That's where you plug it into the power to use it. But the back part right here, there is a strap, so open it up. And you just pretty much want to strap this onto any kind of chair you guys do use. That way it can give you guys the support so it will not move around or fall off. And then here's a cushion for the bottom part here. And that's pretty much everything that's on here. So let's plug it in first, then we'll show you guys how it looks like when you guys use it, then we'll try it for ourselves. So I do want to use this cable here to plug it in. All right, let me make sure it's long enough to use it here. All right, so we got it on. Let's bring the camera closer to show you guys what it looks like from up close. All right, so once you guys bring the camera closer, here's pretty much what it looks like on here. So we do have this massage part right here that it gives you guys a really deep massage when you guys use the top part right here, which is kind of cool. So we'll turn that on to show you guys what it looks like in a bit. We do have the brand name right here. We have the massaging parts right here as well. And these are like a breathable mesh material, so very breathable when you guys use that. On the side right here and probably on the bottom part right here as well, these should be the compressions, or you always get that compression when we do use that. And they do have more massage part right here. And there's probably like the heating elements on here and also right here as well when we do use that. But here's what it looks like on the side right here when you guys do look at the unit here. Definitely looks pretty cool when you guys take a look at it. And then in terms of remote control, like I mentioned, there is a little pocket right here for you guys to store it. And if you guys do take it out, here are the different controls for you guys to use. So there is an up, down option, reverse option, region option, intensity button, mode button, up and down, spot, vibration, compression, heat, timing option, and power. And the brand name right here in the bottom. So press the power button one time. And then here's what the screen looks like here. And it immediately starts working, if you can see. So this is what it looks like when you guys start using on top part right here. And the bottom part right here, you can see the vibration and also like the compression on both sides. Even on the bottom part right here as well on the seat area. So it starts working immediately when you guys do that. If you guys do want to change the different setting on here for the timer option, there's 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 10 minutes. And if you guys want to change the vibration, press right here. You guys can turn it on and off for vibration right here on the bottom. So red is the highest, blue is the lowest, and green or yellow is like the next level. If it's right there for that little symbol right there. And you guys can see how powerful it can get when you guys do it on the max. It literally vibrates like crazy for the bottom part and top part. And if you guys want to use compression, control the compression as well. if you guys want to be low, medium, or max. So max is like this. When you guys do that, it looks really intense if you can see the vibration and compression on here. Press it again and it turns off the compression, so it turns off and you see how it starts deflating after, but the vibration is still really strong. There's also the heat element on here, so if you guys do turn on heat, it has a little red part right there. And you probably can't see the heat part right here unless it's in the dark setting, then you probably see the red parts inside right here, but there is the heating element that's inside. And if you guys want to control the region, you guys can control the back. So press the region button right here. You guys can do the lower back, full back, or upper back. If you guys want to change the intensity, press right here. That'll change the intensity from blue, green, or yellow to red. The different modes here as well, 3 different modes. Whether you guys want blue, green, or yellow, or red. You can do spot, control up or down for the spot, or use a preset mode depending on how you guys want to use it. You guys can also do the neck part right here to do reverse. So whether you guys want to go in one direction or the other. So if you guys use like this, you guys can definitely use it in this angle or this direction. If you guys press it again, it goes the other way. And if you guys want to control where it goes, you can bring it up and down. So bring it down like this, or you can bring it up. Notice how it's going up or down. So now it's going up, and that's how I can go. Bring it down. Notice how the ball head right there is going down. So there's a lot of cool functionality on this massager when you guys do that to control the speed, the intensity, and where you guys want to get the massage part when you guys do that. But the only real way to find out when it actually works and how it works or how it feels is to try it out for yourself. So let's turn it off. And let me sit down on here and see how it feels when we actually use it for ourselves. So let's sit down on here and let's try it for ourselves to see how it feels. Immediately, the first thing I notice on here is that the neck part is a little bit too high, so I do want to raise it up. Or it's right now too low, so I want to bring it up. All right, so even right now, it's kind of like still low. Maybe because of the chair design itself, it doesn't fit it correctly for this one, so I might have to use it on a different chair. But compared to other seat massagers I used in the past, none of them has been as close of a good massage like this one here so far, and I'm only using on the lowest level right now for everything. So let me just try to increase the compression on here to stronger, turn on the heat option, turn on vibration, let's turn on max, and let's change the intensity to high, and let's change the mode to high as well. So right now I turn up everything on max. So far everything feels pretty good, but I feel like probably because of the way how this chair is designed, it doesn't work too well with this chair in particular, so it will matter what kind of chair you guys use it on. I feel like if you guys were to use it on maybe a sofa, it'd probably be better because it's all flat. Because the chair that I'm currently using is a curve on the bottom and also the back seat as well. Not really giving me that massage where I want it to be fully, and my neck I have to lean backward like this if you guys can see. Or maybe this angle is better if you guys see like this. Everything still feels pretty good, but I can't really lean all the way back for my actual back area because of the way how my seat or the chair is designed. But everything, it feels really nice. I feel like if I were to sit on like an actual chair and set this up, it will feel a lot better. Because the neck part is really giving me that deep massage when I turn on max. The compression, I feel it, but I feel like it probably could feel even better if I were to use it on a flat chair. This one's not really flat since I have to like tilt my neck a little bit back like this. But everything so far feels pretty good. I feel like the heating element on here, I can't really feel as well too much because of the part how it's kind of sticking out a little bit too much in the back part right here like this. So I definitely have to change the seat or the chair that I'm using here, otherwise I won't really feel much of it. Or I have to probably just sit up like this and don't really feel my neck part like this. So I have to sacrifice one or the other for this chair in particular. But you really do feel like that massaging vibration option on here and that kneeling effect for the neck part, the lower back, even for the compression on here is really strong to the point that I feel like I can get an actually good massage after using this unit here. So overall, this product itself works really, really well. I'm actually really impressed. I think compared to some of the other ones I use from this brand or other brands, they usually aren't as strong as this one here, which I'm really, really impressed for that part there. Because normally if you guys use any kind of massagers and when you guys do use it, it doesn't really give you guys that deep kneeling effect that most people probably want. Unless if you guys have a low pain tolerance that you can't handle that pain. But for me, I do have, I guess, slightly higher pain tolerance. So when I use these massagers, I want it to be stronger so I can feel it. Otherwise, I can't really feel that effect. Whereas for this one, I do feel that strong kneeling effect on here, which is really cool. So that's pretty much everything about this unit here. Really, really impressive. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not this is worth it or not, I think this is actually really worth it to use this product here if you guys want to get that full body massage for your thighs, your lower back, your upper back, your compression parts right here, and also the neck part. You pretty much get all of that on here, like a really deep massage. Just keep in mind that you probably would need to get like a different chair because these office chairs wouldn't work too well with it to get like the full benefit of the massage that you probably want on here.